Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and today we are going to start the most interesting and the most practical topic inside Go High Level, and that is known as automations. So basically you may hear the words like workflows and automations. Basically they both are same, and what actually the automation or workflow is that we set up the computer so that it can work on its own. Okay, means the human presence is not necessary when automation is ready. We instruct the computers to work on its own without any requirement of any human. Okay, so that is basically known as automation. So basically what we hear that AI has a big role in automation, and yes, that is correct. But inside Go High Level we built automation without any AI. Instead we use AI inside automations. Okay, and triggers are the ones that are used to start the automation. Okay, we built the automation, now we need triggers to start it. Okay, so this is a short intro related to the triggers and automation or workflows, and now let's move inside the Go High Level to practically see that how it look like and how we built these. Let's move towards GHL screen. Okay guys, now we are inside Go High Level, and let's move towards automations, which is present on the left side of the screen. We will simply click on it, and after that we are inside automations where multiple folders are there and multiple automations are already built. So because we are going to create or to start a new automation, so what we will do, first of all, we will make use of filters. That how we can make use of filters. Instead of that, I can simply search from here, or recent ones as well, that what recent workflows I created or used. Other than that, from here you can create folder, and in the latest versions of GHL you can build automation using AI. Yes, we also built that, but at the end of our class, because we want skill related automation, so we will build it from the scratch. So for that you will simply move inside a folder, or you may not need any folder, but I will definitely recommend you to first of all create a folder and then create workflows inside that. So for creating new workflow, we will simply create on this blue button named as create workflow, and here inside it you have to start from the scratch. I will simply click on it, and after that you will be inside automation playground. Yes, initially I will change the name. Yeah, and I will make it test 123. Okay, so now you have renamed your workflow. So first of all we will understand that what are the components we will see inside these automations. On the left hand side, first of all you can add the notes which explains your workflows or your whole automations. Then errors, mean it will tells you that what kind of errors are there in your automation, or is it error free. Other than that, you can add statistical view of that how many leads are inside this workflow, or how many leads passed from this automation, and things like that. Other than that, you can add sticky notes as well. Then workflow switcher means it will, you can move between workflows. Okay, it is simply used for that. And then version history, and then this is an AI that you can use to understand the workflow, or if you need any help during creating your workflow, you can take help from this AI. So first of all, let's come to the trigger. So trigger means that any type of specific workflow will start. Okay, any workflow will start after this trigger. Yes, you need trigger to start the automation, you need trigger to start the workflow, and that trigger can be anything. For example, a new contact created. Yes, if some new contact get added inside the Go High Level, you have to do this. You can instruct the computer to do some specific actions. Similarly, if some tag has been added against any contact, you instruct the computer to do this, to do some specific task. Other than that, you can, what you can do is that if someone visits your website, or if someone has clicked your website link, you can do something special for those leads or for those customers to capture those customers. Things like that are known as trigger. So let's see what kind of triggers we can get inside Go High Level. I will simply click on it, and on the right side you will get a lot of triggers. Contact tag added. If someone books an appointment, then what you want to do, you can instruct the computer in that way as well. Then contact change, contact created, contact tag, reminders, task reminders, webhooks. Okay, customer replied from channel, on any channel, for example SMS, email, and WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all things like that. Form has been submitted. Forms means the form that looks on your website, where you will enter your name, your email, your necessary information. Okay, so that is known as form submitted. Other than that, trigger TikTok form submitted. Okay, LinkedIn lead form submitted. Yes, LinkedIn has been integrated as well. Funnel, website page view. Anyone who viewed your web page as well, that will also be captured as lead. Other than that, quiz submitted. Quiz submitted is related to the memberships. Okay, the membership means the ones who are added inside your course or inside your, what that called, community. Yes, the one who has added inside your community, and if they submitted the quiz, then this trigger, the workflow can run in that case as well. After that, opportunity. Yes, opportunity, as you see in our recent videos that we worked on the pipelines. So inside that, if someone changed the stage, or if someone has exit the pipelines, if someone has you can say that someone added newly inside the pipeline, so you can trigger your workflow in that case as well. So there are a lot of triggers. So let me now add the contact tag edit. Okay, and contact tag should be contact tag added, and what should be the tag? The tag should be bakery. Okay, so what will happen that if someone has tag bakery, this automation will get run. Okay, and now let's come to the action. So we have learned all about the triggers, but now what we can get inside actions. Actions means if some specific things get happen, then you have to perform this. So the meaning of then you have to perform this means actions. Okay, means if someone opens the door, then you have to go out. Okay, so then you have to go out is an action. Okay, so I will simply click on this plus button, and what I can do is that if some tag has added, I can send SMS, I can create new contact, I can find the contact, I can remove the contact. Okay, and I can assign it the lead to some specific user. Okay, and after that there are a lot of actions that I can perform. Okay, similarly I can call that person if that person has some specific tag added. I can message them on the messenger. I can send them an internal notification, WhatsApp, book appointment. Means a lot of actions are here. Similarly, these are the internal rules and regulations that we have to follow. Means there are multiple conditions that we are going to use in further workflows in our class, in our journey. And similarly, there are a lot of actions are here. So now what I want to do is that if some specific tag has been added, I want that the following customer should receive an email. Okay, so what I will do is that I will use this action which is named as send email. I will simply click on it, and now I will design the email. So it is sending from here, and then info@auxth. So subject is that what I want to send them. Let's congrats them. Congrats, you are sorry, you are selected. So I will use custom fields, hi, and contact and his full name, comma, you have been selected for the test. Simply normal, I think this is okay. And then regards, and then it should be location. Okay, it's not location, it should be company and company name, business name, and let's hit the save button. So now our workflow has been ready, our automation has been ready, and now let's test it. So I will simply click on save button right here, and then I will make it publish, because if your workflow is not published, then it will not run automatically. If you want to make it run automatically, you must have to publish it, and then again save button. And now let's add the tag, and let's save that whether I will receive the email automatically or not. Okay, and let's search for 231216. Okay, this is here, and what tag I want to add is simply I select this contact, and here are the tags. Add tags, and you can write anything here, and what tag we have to select is bakery, and add tags. So this is done. Okay, your workflow has been started, and inside automation let's check that whether this contact has been added inside our automation or not. Okay, and let's see inside Abu Bakr, and this one, yes, one tag has been added. Okay, and check enrollment history, and yes, this contact has been added. So let's check that whether we have received our email or not. Let's move inside Gmail, and inside Gmail, yes, this thing right here. Wow, we received our first email automatically. So this is all for today, and let's meet in our next video with some new creative automations. Thank you. Bye bye.